So people who come to the lecture will see images from manuscripts that were used for divination and for protective charms, which I'll show from both Christian and Islamic manuscripts. I'll be highlighting some of the collections that we have online here at HMML that we've been working on cataloging. And so a lot of them are unpublished. There'll be things that the public hasn't really seen before. In the past, largely I think because of Western biases, we have not really acquainted ourselves with this aspect of Middle Eastern society. In fact, the study of Eastern Christian magical traditions, especially in the Syriac context, just begins in the latter half of the 19th century. Scholars had been studying Middle Eastern biblical commentaries and more familiar types of literature for centuries before that. But it's only now when we're digitizing whole collections and not just going and cherry-picking what's important to the Western scholar or what the Western scholar is already familiar with, but we're getting what the owners of the collections themselves deem important from those collections, and we see whole cross-sections of their literature, and very prominent in those cross-sections are the magical texts, or what we would call the magical texts. For them, it's basically religious practice, exorcism, protection against harmful influences in the supernatural world.